Hello students, welcome back. As you all know, we are doing class 10 chapter 8 trigonometry. So today we are going to learn about the how to frame the grid for the different values of angles for the trigonometric table, like the value for sine 30s, cos 60, cos 90. So, and this will be very beneficial for you in your further next chapter also, that is chapter number 9 in applications of trigonometry, because there also you have to find the different values of sine theta, cos theta at some different angles. So first of all, in our syllabus is only to calculate the different values of sine, cos and tan for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So today I am going to tell you very simple trick how to create this grid. You don't have to learn anything, but anywhere, wherever you are, if you are confused and you got any question and you are not getting the value, very easily you are going to create this table. So let's start. First of all, we will write the simple countings from 0 to 1. So let's write 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now divide each value by 4. Like 0 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. Now take the square root of it. For each and every value, take the square root. Now beta, if you divide anything by 0, the answer is 0, and the root of 0, we all know that it is 0. 1 upon 4 means under root of 1 is 1 and 4 is a perfect square of 2, so it will be 1 upon 2. It will be, first we will reduce it, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so it will be again 1 by root 2. This will be root 3 upon 2 and again we will reduce it, 4 1s are 4, so we have got 1. Now start filling the grid in this order. So sine 0, our first value you can see it is 0. So sine 0 is 0. Now next we have 1 upon 2. So sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Next we have 1 by root 2. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Next we have root 3 by 2. So sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Next we have 1. So it is 1. Now for cos theta, start filling the same values in this order. Just follow the direction of the arrows and start filling in this order. So here it is 1, so it is 1. Next we have root 3 by 2, so it will come here root 3 by 2. Next we have 1 by 2, so it is 1 by 2. Next we have half, so it is half. Next we have 0, so it is 0. So you can see, so in such a simple manner we have learned to fill all the values for sine and cos. Now in my last video also have told you that tan theta can be written as sine theta upon cos theta. So we have the value of sine and cos. So 0 upon 1 is 0. So tan 0 is 0. We will divide these value of sine 30 and cos 30. So when you will divide 1 by 2 upon root 3 upon 2. So you can see this get cancelled. So this is the value of tan 30 degrees. So it is coming what? 1 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2 is 1. Next root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2 is root 3. And 1 upon 0, anything you know, if we divide anything by 0, we get not defined number. It is not defined, so it is ND. Chale, now we will learn to find the value of cosec theta. So all of you know that cosec theta is a reciprocal of sine theta. So cosec theta can be written as 1 upon sine theta. To fill the values for cosec theta, we will just reciprocal the values of sine theta. Sine 0 is 0, so 0 upon 1 will be 1 upon 0. So again it will be not defined. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, so cosec 30 will be 2 upon 1, so it will be 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2, so it will be root 2 by 1, so again it will be root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2, so its reciprocal will be 2 by root 3. And sine 90 is 1, so its reciprocal will be 1 upon 1 will be 1. Next we also know that sec theta is the reciprocal of 1 upon cos theta. So now we will reciprocal all the values of cos theta. cos theta, cos 0 is 1, so it will be 1 upon 1 will be 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so it will be 2 upon root 3. Next we have cos 45, 1 by root 2, so it will be root 2. Next we have cos 60 degree half, so it will be 2. Now cos, very important, cos 90 is 0. So it can be written as 1 upon 0 upon 1. So when you will reciprocal it will be 1 upon 0. Anything upon 0 is not defined. So it will be ND. And you know cot theta is the reciprocal of 1 upon tan theta. So now we will reciprocal all the values of tan theta. Again 0. Tan 0 is 0. So 0 upon 1 will be 1 upon 0. So again it will be not defined. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So it will be root 3. Tan 45 is 1. So it will be 1. Tan 60 is root 3. So it will be root 3 upon 1. It means so it will be 1 by root 3. And it is ND. ND means, what is the meaning of ND? ND means 1 upon 0. So its reciprocal will be 0 upon 1. So which is equals to 0. Hope the students you have learned to create the table, and now it has solved your ample of problem, because this topic covers major part, as it is the part of your 2 chapters. In chapter number 8 also it is coming, and in chapter number 9 also coming. So hope so it will be covering your, solving your maximum problems, and whenever anyone give you any question, very easily you are going to solve it. Thank you.